Dirty elephant, man. Elephant. After you see me there, you can tell me about you have a bum buckler, run up food for me. See? Because elephant and beg me and beg you know. Elephant, if you remember, say you rob me, you know. You thief me money 2 years ago, you know, Ellie, when hungry, I kill your blood clot. 2 years ago, you thief me money when hungry, I kill you. I carry my money come here for do that plate, and you thief me money and hide from me. And I see at the phone shop and you tell me this and that and rare, and about how you have to run back a food for me and rare. Elephant, tell you something. Saying, and I beg me, I beg you the money, you know, and who you owe me. You forgot where you come from, you so blood clot feed you every day when you come a jar and hungry, I kill your pussy clot. You used to come on a camel yard, I mean a camel give you islet, and you breed islet, you know, chicken back and blood clot mackerel me cook you, and you come go like you forget where you come from. Ellie, pay me here, because Ellie, me not stop till you pay me, you know. A pussy you take me for. Because suck out your mama, Ellie, and pay me. Oh, I'm to you. Pussy you take me for elephant, man.